Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So in this video, I wanted to take and say welcome. Welcome to every last one of you brand new subscribers that have subscribed in the last 3 months or so. I think it's been about 90 days-ish since I've done a welcome to the channel video. But this is something I'll try to do regularly and from time to time. This isn't obviously a tutorial video as I do 7 days a week, but I hope that you will feel welcomed and like to hear my voice talking at you. So again, big welcome to all the new subscribers. I'm glad to have you as part of the channel. I hope you are enjoying the content that we are producing here at Christ Center Ironworks. And yeah, just let us know how we're doing in the comment section down below and maybe some thoughts of some stuff that you'd like to see. We have over 1,000 videos on the channel right now, over 1,025, I think, at the posting of this video. Not really sure, but it's a bunch. There's a bunch there. And chances are, if you're new to the channel and you're asking something about heat treating, forging a lot of different things, leaves, tapers, hooks, business side of things, I have answered that in a lot of different videos. So all you have to do is go to our channel, go to our actual channel, you click on our little head there, a little icon, and it'll take you to our channel overview, and then you can search the channel. Another way that you can do it is you could go just right into YouTube search and put Christ Center Ironworks and then put in whatever you're looking for, whether it be what proper size anvil, how to stand at the anvil, hammer control, fire maintenance, coal forges versus gas forges, all sorts of good content like that, how to heat treat something, yada yada. Just again, Christ Center Ironworks, and you put in whatever it is that you're looking for in YouTube's main search, and you can find it here on the channel that way. So I hope that'll be helpful to you. Again, we've gotten to a point now that there's so many videos and so many comments that come in every single month. We are not able to get back to every single comment. In fact, we don't get back to a majority of them. That was something I tried to struggle to keep with for a long time, but now there's over 4,000 of them a month, and we just can't. We're busy people. We run this we do my day job, my artwork, full time, and then we do the YouTube as well on the side, so it gets quite hectic. So I apologize if I am not getting back to your question. Again, if you haven't got your question answered, check out the videos and just search what topic you're looking for, and most likely will pop up. So that's it for my welcome. So number 2 item on my list of things to do today, besides the big welcome, I want to thank every subscriber that has been subscribed to this channel from the very beginning, all the way from the really rough and crude videos that we produced originally to the videos that we are producing now. I hope they're better. I hope they're better. Again, let us know in the comment section how we're doing there. We do read every comment. We just don't reply to them all. So just let us know how we're doing down there. And we greatly appreciate you all. And we really do, really do thank you. We just recently looked at some numbers, and our videos had over 940 shares last month, I think it was. And that's awesome. That means a lot of you all are being super awesome fans of the channel, and you are spreading the word about this little small channel here on YouTube out there across the ethos, and we really greatly appreciate that. We really do. We had a whole bunch of likes, 10,000 some odd likes, I think, and I don't know, there was a few hundred, I don't know, more than that, probably about 1,000 dislikes, thumbs down. There's always negative people out there, but anyways, not the point. It's awesome. It's awesome to see how much growth we've had. We're over 31,000 subscribers, heading on to 32. That's an amazing thing. Again, that's what prompted this video, just to say thank you. On occasion, we will do some giveaways and some things like that, so be on the lookout for that as I have more time, as my work slows down after the first of the year. And, that also brings me to my next point. Thank you all for supporting this channel via buying Blacksmith PDF plans, things like that. Go over to my website, blacksmithpdfs.com, if you'd like to support this channel and what we do here and things like that. That greatly helps us out around the first of the year, into the months of February up till about May, when I start getting super slammed with work again. It really helps bridge that gap for my family. and you know, we greatly appreciate that extra bit of revenue. Of course, if you've already got a power hammer plans, things like that, consider watch some ads or some videos. They do help. Again, to take and support this small channel. So thank you all so much for that, and thank you all for your dedicated support already. I know several of you have been out there buying power hammer plans on the regular, even though they're the same ones and you really don't need them, and you just do that to support us. And we've received some really nice emails from people, and it does bless Jessica and I's heart, and we are sincerely grateful and thankful to you. So that brings me to my last little point for this video. I'd like to take and encourage you to take and support some other channels while you're here on YouTube. When you leave this video, I encourage you to go check out these different channels. The links to their channels will be in the description down below. All you've got to do is tap that little down arrow. It looks like a little down triangle mark or a little pie mark down at the bottom of this screen that you're viewing it on. Tap that. That'll drop down the description menu. And go in there and check out some of these channels. So the first one I like to recommend is John Switzer at Black Bear Forge. He is blowing up real big. He's going to surpass us in subscribers here probably in the next month or so, which is good. John is an awesome guy. He is a great teacher. He is a great teacher. He's kind of got that, I don't know, smooth, sultry old man voice or something. He's really easy to listen to. He's really easy on the ears. That's sounding wrong. But anyways, he's easy on the ears to listen to. I'm a bit abrupt and abrasive. John, again, he's just so mellow, so easy to listen to and watch. And also, he's a wonderful, wonderful craftsperson and blacksmith. And yeah, it's got a great channel with great content. So definitely go check out John at Black Bear Forge. The other guy that I like to mention is Tim over at Big Dog Forge. So most of you that are subscribed to the channel, you know him already, but he is another great channel. Awesome, wonderfully humble person. You know, he's going to be retiring here in very soon, I guess, in a couple years, somewhere in that window, and he plans on getting back to doing YouTube almost full time as his kind of his retirement hobby type deal. But he has loads, and I do mean scads of information, like on Damascus work and doing different things like canister Damascus, and he's done a lot of different builds and things on his channel, and knives and things of that nature. And so if you're really into that sort of thing, I really recommend Tim at Big Dog Forge. Again, awesome guy. So one of my last creators that I'm going to mention, obviously this is not an exhaustive list, but I tried to do about three different creators here. Another one, well, actually I'm going to do four, sorry. Got a little board down here that I'm supposed to be reading off of that I have like really bad scribbled notes of to keep me on track, so I don't ramble like I'm doing now. Anyways, enough of that. The next guy I'd like to mention is James over at County Line Forge. I think it's James. I'm pretty sure it's James. Anyways, at County Line Forge, he's doing an awesome job with live streams, and he's getting into all sorts of crazy cool stuff. Everything from fire pokers and marshmallow roasters and hammer making and tongs and drifts and axes, and he's doing it all. You know, he's the blacksmith bug has bitten him, and his work is actually pretty good. He's progressing. To see him from when he started to where he's at now, he's really progressed in a short period of time, and he's trying to take and make blacksmithing his full-time income. He's transferred off what he was doing, and he's working now as a full-time professional smith. And you know, he would greatly appreciate your support to go over there and check out his videos and watch him as well. And I think he's got some pretty economical prices as well if you're in the market for hammers and tongs and things of that nature. So definitely give him a check out. Again, that's James at County Line Forge. Links will be in the description. The last guy I'd like to mention, he's from the UK. He's over in the UK. I don't know where at, so you're out on that. But his name's Daniel Moss. Daniel Moss, he's been on and off YouTube for a little bit. He did it pretty heavily there for a while, but then he got super tied up with work and working like 3 jobs and trying to do YouTube as well. He produces videos about twice a week. he tries to anyhow. And again, great guy. He's got a nice, interesting, different perspective from being across the pond in the UK. And it's, you know, again, it's refreshing to see how different smiths do different things. So, again, I could recommend his channel as well. Definitely go check out Daniel Moss. I don't know if he's selling anything, but he does make some pretty sweet tongs and hammers and punches and drifts and things like that for the blacksmith. So, go check him out. And I think that's going to be it. I think I mentioned 4 people. That's good. You've listened to me ramble on for 11 minutes. I greatly appreciate you being here. Again, a big welcome to all you new subscribers. Again, a big thank you to all of you old subscribers and you new subscribers for all of the support. And definitely consider checking out these other 4 channels. I do believe that they're awesome watches, and they've got a wealth of knowledge in between all of them that you can learn. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, remember to leave a like, you know, yada yada. If you hated it, put that down arrow, tell me why. Be nice, otherwise you get blocked. That's one of the things of the channel. I got a short fuse, and it's too easy to press the screen and make you disappear forever. So, be nice. If you got constructive criticism to say, I gladly appreciate it anyways. Just, you know, drop it down in the comment section down below. If you'd like to support this channel, again, great way of doing that is to go check out blacksmithpdfs.com and consider purchasing an e-course or a power hammer plan or bundle or something of that nature. That'll all be in the description down below. As always, God bless you, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.